All right, guys, another day, another cool helmet I've got for you. Let's check it out. NOX helmets, as you can see. Let's unpack. This is my favorite part. Okay, nice, cool box. Okay, nice helmet bag. Let's take it out. Oh, a pretty light helmet, I must say. Let's check it out. All right, you can already check it's nice. It's got this gray, beautiful gray color. Okay, nice, guys. I love it with this sunroof and the sun visor. You can attach goggles here. You can see this is like a cross helmet, so this won't protect you from the wind probably. Okay, so guys, let's take it out on the road. Let me show you when I take it out. And maybe today we should ride to a castle, okay? All right. It's getting dark, so let's get on the road. All right, guys, let me welcome you warmly. Today I'm with this classic bike, the Royal Enfield Classic, by a classic architecture. That means the castle in Sucha Beskidzka. I've tested today, guys, is in fact this cool looking helmet. As you can see, this is NOX helmets, and one of the very cool looking ones, which is also, I must say, quite light. It only weighs around 1 kilogram, so if you guys want something light on your head, especially for hot days, This is it. All right, so let me show you maybe the architecture nicely, not through a gate, but like this. I think this is much better. Okay, beautiful settings and beautiful helmet. As you guys can see, I have taken my Royal Enfield, which fits nicely to this castle, to the classic settings. And this is the castle in Sucha Beskidzka, which is in south of Poland. And this is the helmet I was testing today. So what are the advantages? Definitely the lightness, and obviously the looks, I think, are pretty cool as well. All right. What are the minuses? Well, you can see this is like a motocross helmet, so probably to have your eyes protected fully, you'd need goggles. In this case, you only have a sun visor, which makes your eyes water a bit, especially when you ride faster. So, well, I think these are the disadvantages. Surely that means your eyes start watering when you drive faster, and obviously, well, having in mind the lightness, probably this does not offer so much protection. So I would say low speed cruises rather than fast rides in this helmet. Okay, also considering the fact that my first helmet that came through mail, through courier services, got cracked in transport. That means the shell was cracked. I had to send it back. So that means probably it's not as resistant. It's more the looks rather than the safety in this case. All right, and here how it looks. Very cool. Let me put it on, guys, and let me show you how it looks when it's on. All right. You can move the visor up and down, so that's the cool thing. And the locking mechanism is traditional strap, which you pull through the double rings. All right, so that's how the helmet looks on my head. Let me just show it to you guys. It's pretty cool, I must say. So as you guys can see, now it's getting dark. It's the last light of day. In fact, it's dusk and the lights have turned on. So it's time for me to pack up and ride home before it gets dark, totally dark. All right. So this helmet again looks very cool.